Hello, and welcome to the IRIS Spatial Positioning System and how it will improve productivity, quality, and safety on the shop floor. Today we will be discussing the benefits of laser projection, how feature-based alignment works, the components of the SBS system, a quick demo of the features of the system, followed by resources and links to case studies from some of our current customers. The first major benefit of laser projection is eliminating the use of hand measurements and templates. The system will take all of its information directly from your CAD model and project it in the correct location. This will eliminate the inefficiencies and errors associated with hand measuring and eliminate the need for hard templates, saving valuable time, money, and floor space. It will also eliminate all of the health and safety concerns associated with templates. By always utilizing CAD information, the system will provide a higher level of accuracy and repeatability, leading to higher quality levels and fewer reworks. By using a digital system, any engineering changes made to the CAD model can be updated and sent to the shop floor in a matter of hours. This will eliminate the lead times associated with updating complex drawings or lengthy retooling times associated with updating templates. Here are a few applications where the IRIS SBS system can be used. If you are considering laser projection, but not sure traditional systems will work for you, the SBS's unique capabilities may be right for your application. So what makes the SBS system so unique? The system will be aligned to physical features of your as-built part. This allows it to accommodate for deviations that might exist between your CAD model and as-built part, something traditional laser projection systems cannot do. Once aligned, the system will perform a best fit of the CAD to the part and guide your operators through the build sequence. The system is composed of a few different components. First, we have the laser projector. The projector is equipped with a laser module that will project all of the desired information onto the part. It also contains two cameras that are used to locate and track the part throughout the build. Next, we have part markers. These are placed on the part and allow the cameras to find the part as well as update the projections correctly after something has been moved. Finally, we have the probe. The probe is used to teach the system where the physical features being used to align the CAD model exist in 3D space. The IRIS software will provide a visual walkthrough to the operator throughout the build. The simple, intuitive, and clean design will only portray the necessary information to the operators. This means even operators with limited computer knowledge will be able to navigate the system after a brief training session with one of our Vertec technicians. Now we will demonstrate some of the features and capabilities of the IRIS Spatial Positioning System. Once the system has been aligned to the part, it will project the first component in the build sequence. The sequence is set up ahead of time, typically by someone with knowledge of the build, usually a supervisor or engineer. Not only does the system project locations of each part, but it can also project other important information such as work instructions, quantities, or possibly even part numbers. By projecting unique features, the system can also ensure that components are placed in the correct orientation. Now, using the part markers and vision system, the operator is free to move either the part or the projector at any time during the build. The system will automatically update the projection to its correct location once it has stopped moving. The SBS system also has the ability to detect the absence of a component. Using the part verification module, it can perform a go/no-go check to ensure no components have been missed. If a component had been missed, the projector would project a large X blocking the operator from moving. The IRIS Spatial Positioning System's unique ability to provide accurate projections even when your as-built does not match your CAD is its key differentiator when compared to traditional laser projection. Because of this, Vertec is able to provide all of the benefits that come with laser projection to new applications and markets. If you are interested in hearing how the SBS system is helping customers today, please click on either of the case studies below and see for yourself. If you are interested in the IRIS SPS system, laser projection in general, or would like to discuss a specific application, please reach out to us on any of the platforms below. We would be happy to help in any way that we can. Thank you for listening, and have an excellent day.